Welcome to this brief demonstration of Rootstock's new Enterprise Insights analytics solution. With Enterprise Insights, Rootstock Manufacturing Cloud ERP users have ready access to actionable insights leveraged from the various functional areas of the business. Of course, the big challenge in understanding your data starts with getting the right data in a format that people can understand, like the dashboard you see on the screen. Rootstock has done the heavy lifting for you by organizing the data model into the different data recipes by function and translating the resulting data extractions into different data sets and data lenses that can be represented in the dashboard experience. Like telling a story, users navigate categories across the top like chapters in a book. They can then further refine their navigation using the filter options immediately below. Once selected, the data and dashboards update to reflect your selections. Data tiles within the visualization window give you additional options to refine the data, and of course, you can interact directly with the graphical dashboards. Whether from a sales, spend, inventory, manufacturing, or finance perspective, Rootstock has made it easy to get the enterprise insights you need when you need them. For more information, visit rootstock.com/analytics.